Welcome to today's current affairs class. First question for today. When is World Habitat Day celebrated? Answer is first Monday of October. Second question. In October 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Banjara Heritage Museum in which district of Maharashtra? Answer is Wasim district. Third question. Which team has won the Irani Trophy 2024 title? Answer is Mumbai. Fourth question. India has become which economy in the world to cross the foreign reserves of 700 billion US dollars? Answer is fourth. Fifth question. Which medal did Indian shooter Devanshi win in the 25-meter standard pistol event as the ISSF Junior World Shooting Championship held in Peru? Answer is gold. Sixth question. Who among the following has been appointed as the Executive Director of RBI in October 2024? Answer is Aviral Jain. Seventh question. National Wildlife Week is celebrated in India with the aim of conservation of animals. In which of the following months is it celebrated? Answer is October. Eighth question. Which countries are participating along with India in Malabar Naval Exercise 2024? Answer is Australia, Japan and USA. Ninth question. Which ministry has launched Jal Hi Amrit program? Answer is Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. 10th question. Recently, DRDO successfully tested the Vashorats defense system. What is the full form of Vashorats? Answer is Very Short Range Air Defense System. Now come to the Tripura and Northeast part. Question is, what is the full name of the app that the state government will launch to enhance road safety? Answer is EDAR, Electronic Detailed Accident Report. Second question, which state became the first state in the country to introduce e-office in Panchayat? Answer is Tripura. For the PDF of today's class, you can join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. And for regular updates on current affairs, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.